Hi guys and welcome back. So I've got a piling lot of amigurumis at home and I wanted to make something that I could actually use. So today we're going to make a useful little amigurumi that's going to help us hold either glasses or sunglasses or even your mask. This is a great gift for Father's Day, Mother's Day, a birthday present. It looks great in a kid's room. And once you get a hang of the basic pattern, you can always make changes and turn it into a different animal or even into a human being. So let's get started. So here is everything that we're going to be using for this project. So for the head, I'm going to be using some cotton macrame yarn. I'm using this because this is a little sturdier than just regular cotton yarn. So it's always better because we don't want the project to fall over. For the face as well as the ears, I'm going to be using two shades of Alice Cotton Gold. These are slightly complementary colors to each other and they go well with the color of the head. I'm going to double up the string because I wanted to work a little faster and these are pretty thin, so it takes quite some time to work up individual strands. So we're going to double it up. Along with all of this yarn, I'm going to be using a 3.25 millimeter or a D hook. I also have a pair of safety eyes. These are 9 millimeter safety eyes, slightly bigger. I also have a pair of scissors, a yarn needle, a stitch marker, some scrap black yarn just for embroidery around the face, and then you're going to need some stuffing. So you can use pillow stuffing, but if you want to again make this project a little sturdier, you can take a stocking and fill it up with either kidney beans or chickpeas and then also stuff this inside, so that gives it a better structure. So now the first thing that we're going to be starting with is actually the face of our little monkey. So I've taken both the strands together and I'm going to be treating this as though they're one. So we're going to start with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers to create an X at the back of your fingers like this. Insert your hook into the bottom, pick up the top and twist, and now just pull up a loop. Always be a little careful when you're working with double strands because you could always leave one strand and that will just spoil the project. So now for the first row, we're going to be working in 6 single crochets. So insert your hook, pull up the loops, yarn over and pull through. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now I'm just going to tug to close up my magic ring. And that completes the first row. Now for row number 2, we're going to place an increase all the way around. That means in every stitch, we're going to place 2 single crochets. So in the first one, 1, and another one into the same one for 2, into the next one, 1, and 2, into the next one, 1, and 2. And you're going to do this 6 times all the way around until you have 12 stitches for this row. Now I'm placing a stitch marker on my 12th stitch. We're going to keep moving this up with every row that we finish. Now for the third row, we're going to place 1 single crochet followed by an increase. So into the first stitch, we're placing 1. Into the one after that, 1 and 2. Into the next one, 1, into the one after that, 1 and 2, and you're going to do this 6 times all the way around for 18 stitches for this row. Now for the next row, we're going to place 2 single crochets in the first 2 stitches followed by an increase in the next stitch. So that's 1, 1, and then in that third stitch, 1 and 2. And you're going to do this 6 times all the way around until you have 24 stitches for this row. Now for row number 5, we're going to do 3 single crochets followed by an increase. So that's 1, 2 and 3 in the first 3 stitches. In the fourth one, we're going to place 2 single crochets or an increase 6 times all the way around for 30 stitches for this row. Now for row number 6, we're going to place 4 single crochets followed by an increase 6 times all the way around for 36 stitches for this row. Now for row number 7, we're going to place 5 single crochets followed by an increase for 42 stitches for this row. Now for row number 8, we're going to place 6 single crochets followed by an increase for a total of 48 stitches for this row. Now for row number 9, you're going to place 7 single crochets followed by an increase 6 times around for 54 stitches for this row. Now for the last row, you're just going to place 1 single crochet all the way around for 54 stitches for this row. So now we're done with the one row of single crochets all the way around. Now I'm just going to leave a tail to sew this on to the head. Snip the yarn off and then just pull it through. Since you're pulling 2 strings, just be a little careful. And the face is done. So now the next thing we're going to start off with is the snout. So I'm using the same colors as I did for the face. I'm going to start with a magic ring again, and into the magic ring I'm going to place 6 single crochets again. Now because we want this to be a little oval shaped, we're going to be working slightly different stitches. So in that first stitch, you're going to place 4 single crochets into that same stitch. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Into the one after that, you're going to place 1 single crochet. Into the one after that, again 1 single crochet. Into the next one, again 4 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, followed by 1 single crochet again, and then 1 single crochet in the last stitch. So if you see, this isn't a circle, this is a little more of an oval. Now for the next row, we're going to place a single crochet on the first stitch. On the next 3 stitches, we're going to place an increase. So 1 and 2 into the first one, 1, 2 into the second one, 1 and 2 into the third one. Then place 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. So 1 into the next one, 1 into the next one, 1. Now an increase into the next 3 again. So that's 1, increase in the first one, increase in the second one, increase in the third one, and now we have 2 more stitches left. 1 single crochet into each of these. So 1 into this one and 1 into the next one. Now for the next row, we're going to place 1 single crochet in the first 2 stitches. So into the first one, 1, into the second one again 1, followed by an increase into the next 3. So increase in the first, increase into the second, and increase into the third. Now in the next 6 stitches, we're going to place 1 single crochet each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we're going to follow this up with 3 increases. So into the first stitch 1 and 2, second stitch 1 and 2, and third stitch 1 and 2, followed by 1 single crochet in each of the last 4 stitches. So 1 into the next one, 1 into the one after that, 1, and then into the very last one. I'm just going to remove the stitch marker and we're going to place 1. Now for the next row, we're going to start with 3 single crochets. So into the first stitch we have 1, next one we have 1, next one we have 1. Now into the next stitch you're going to place an increase. into the one after that a single crochet, into the next one an increase, then a single crochet, then an increase, and then a single crochet. Now in the next 6 stitches we're going to place one single crochet. So 1, into the next one 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we've come to the other side. Again you're going to place an increase followed by a single, an increase followed by a single, an increase followed by a single, and now we have 3 stitches left, one single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2 and 3. Now for the next row we're going to place a single crochet into the first 4 stitches. So first, second, third and fourth. Then we're going to do an increase followed by a single, again increase, followed by a single, and then an increase again, followed by a single. We're going to follow this up with 9 single crochets in the next 9 stitches. So one single crochet in the next 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then again we're going to do an increase followed by a single, an increase followed by a single, again an increase followed by a single, and now we're left with 5 stitches. Place one single crochet into each of these 5 stitches. Now for the next row we're going to place 6 single crochets to start off with. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then we're going to follow this up with an increase followed by one single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So one in the next one, one in the one after that. Again place an increase followed by one and one in the next one, and for a third time you're going to do an increase followed by one in the next 2 stitches. After this we're going to place 9 single crochets into the next 9 stitches. So one into the next 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Into the next stitch, increase, next 2 stitches, one single crochet each. Again we're going to do an increase followed by one single crochet in the next 2, again followed by an increase with one single crochet in the next 2. Now we're left with 3 more stitches, so place one single crochet in the next 3. 1, 2 and 3, and now if you count your total number of stitches it will be 42. Now for the next 4 rows you're just going to place one single crochet all the way around for 42 stitches per row. So complete the next 4 rows and I'll show you how to proceed. Now once you're done, this is what it should look like. Again we're going to leave a tail for sewing on, snip it off and then just pull it through. So now we can attach this snout to the face like this, And then once we attach the snout to the face, we're going to make the little nose as well as a smile, and I'll show you how to attach the safety eyes. So now to attach the snout, we're going to align the bottom to the bottom of the face. So like this, and then you're just going to go into the front and the back and do a simple stitch around like this. Go into the front of the next stitch, into the back, and then come back around. Now as you keep stitching these two sides together, you can also add stuffing in between. So just make sure that you keep adding stuffing as you go along. I've also added some scrap pieces of yarn to my stuffing, and then I'll continue to sew this on. So once you've got the snout sewed on, we can just decide the placement of the safety eyes. So we're just gonna go a row above and then place one eye on either side. So you can move it around, see how you want to attach it, where it seems right to you, and decide. But just remember, you're not going to put the safety at the back as of now. We're going to do that a little later. Now let's just embroider on nostrils and a smile. To do your nostrils, you're going to take a little bit of black yarn and make 4 knots into the same place. Then just snip the yarn off, and you're just going to stitch it on directly onto the snout. Now once you've added on the nostrils, it looks like this. Now we can finally add a smile. So I'm going to go in from one end all the way to the other side. And then just pull the yarn back, adjust the smile a little bit, and then just sew on the ends. And this completes the face of the monkey. So if you see, there are lots of these ends which are there. You don't need to bother about sewing these on, because when we attach the face to the head, we're just going to fold these in like this. So now we can start working on the entire head. So as I mentioned before, I'm going to be using macrame yarn for this. This is cotton macrame yarn, and the reason why I'm using this is it makes it a little steadier. You can go ahead and use any yarn of your choice. The thicker the better, so that it holds the structure. So I started with a magic ring with 6 single crochets inside it, then increased to 12, then 1 increase to 18, 2 increase to 24, 3 increase to 30, 4 increase to 36, 5 increase to 42, 6 increase to 48, and then 7 an increase to 54. And I've come to this row, which is 54 single crochets around. Now for the next row, we're going to do 8 single crochets followed by an increase for a total of 60 stitches for this row. So now for the next row, we're going to do 9 single crochets followed by an increase 6 times around for 66 stitches for this row. Now for the next row, we're going to do 10 single crochets followed by an increase for a total of 72 stitches for this row. Now for the next 5 rows, you're just going to place 1 single crochet all the way around for 72 stitches per row. So complete the next 5 rows and then meet me back here again. So now we've completed our 5 rows of single crochets. Now we're going to start doing a row of decreases. So for this row, we're going to be doing 10 single crochets followed by a decrease. So let's do the 10 single crochets first. So now I've completed my 10 single crochets. I'm going to show you how to do a decrease. So we're going to go into the front loop of the first stitch. If you can see, there's a V on every stitch. We're going to split the V, go only into the front loop. Into the stitch after that, only go into the front loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do that one more time. So finish your 10 single crochets. So now I'm done with my 10 single crochets. I'll show you a decrease again. So again in this stitch you can see the V, go only into the front loop. Into the stitch after that you can see the V, go only into the front loop. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you're going to do this 6 times all the way around for 66 stitches for this row. Now for the next row, you're going to place 1 single crochet all the way around for 66 stitches for this row. So now for the next row, we're going to do 9 single crochets followed by a decrease 6 times all the way around for 60 stitches for this row. So I finished my 9 single crochets. I wanted to show you a decrease one more time. So I've gone into the front loop of the first stitch, front loop of the second stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now for the next row we're going to do 8 single crochets followed by a decrease all the way around 6 times for 54 stitches for this row. Now for the next row we're going to do 7 single crochets followed by a decrease 6 times all the way around for 48 stitches for this row. Now for the next row we're going to do 6 single crochets followed by a decrease 6 times all the way around for 42 stitches for this row. Now for the next row we're going to do 5 single crochets followed by a decrease 6 times all the way around for 36 stitches for this row. Now before we proceed you can go ahead and add some stuffing. Just remember, in case you're not using sturdy yarn like macrame yarn and you're using thinner yarn, then make sure that you stuff this with either beans or little beads or something that will give it structure. Now for the next row you're going to do 4 single crochets followed by a decrease for 30 stitches for this row. Now that you've filled in the stuffing, be a little careful when you do your stitches. It will become a little more difficult to do it. Now for the next row we're going to do 3 single crochets followed by a decrease all the way around 6 times for 24 stitches for this row. Now for the next row we're going to do 2 single crochets followed by a decrease 6 times all the way around for 18 stitches for this row. Now you're going to keep adding stuffing after every row because we're reaching almost to the top. Now for the next row you're going to do 1 single crochet followed by a decrease 6 times all the way around for 12 stitches for this row. Now to end the head we're just going to decrease all the way around and then fasten off. Now that you've completed the head and the face, you can just place the face around the head. Make sure that the eyes are looking fine. Once you're happy with the placement of the eyes, you can go ahead and place the safety at the back. Now we can sew the face on to the head. So you're going to see there's the bottom and the top. We're going to go as close to the bottom as possible. So let me try and show you. This is the bottom. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 rows up and place it this way. And now you're just going to do a simple stitch all the way around to attach the face to the head. So once you've attached the face on, this is what it should look like, and you can make it sit down like this. So now the last thing we're going to work on are the ears. You're going to start with a magic ring with 6 single crochets, increase to 12, 18 and then 24. And then for the next 3 rows, you're just going to place 1 single crochet all the way around for 24 stitches per row. Now for the last row we're going to do 2 single crochets followed by a decrease 6 times all the way around for 18 stitches for this row, and then you're going to leave a long tail for sewing on and you're going to fasten off. Now once you're done, you should have 2 ears that look like this, and we're going to go on either side of the head. So leave a little bit of gap and then attach it in a way that it comes the midpoint of the ears aligned with the eyes. So like this. Just do a simple stitch and attach these on. So once you're done, this is what it should look like. It looks so cute, and you can always take your glasses and then just put them right on. So if you actually make it sit, it's gonna sit properly, and it has support from the ears as well as the snout, so the glasses won't fall off. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like the video, share it with all your friends and subscribe to my channel. And in the comments below, let me know what you want to see next, because I'm always looking for new project ideas. Until next time, bye bye.